In this video, I will show you how to create a community on Roblox. Now, to do this, what you want to do is open up the Roblox app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come over to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto More. And from here, you're going to see a button for communities. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is take you to the Roblox community screen. Now, from here, if you come over to the left, you're going to see a button to create community. Give that a click, and that's going to take you to a screen like this. From here, you can give your community a name. So I'm going to call this one Tech Tutors Community, and you can also add a description as well into the box here. Once you've done that, scroll down. You can then add a emblem for your community, which is kind of like your community logo. So if you click the button here, that's going to load up your computer's File Explorer, and you can then use that to select a community logo. So I'm going to just select my channel logo. Come down a bit further, you can also add a cover photo if you want to. Just keep in mind the dimensions that it needs to be to display correctly. Once you've completed this, scroll down to the settings section, and as you can see, we've got two options. So you can set your community to be public, which means that anyone can join, or you can choose manual approval, which I would recommend if you're setting this up just for friends. And once you've done, you just need to come and click the button here, where it's going to be a charge of 100 Robux to create your community. But once you've done that, you would have created your community on Roblox. And at any point, if you come back to your settings and click onto communities, you can find all your communities in the menu bar on the left hand side. So that's how to create a community on Roblox. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple Roblox and tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.